Hi, this is Simon, and thank you for visiting my indoor and outdoor gardening. As you can see on my left hand, this is a spring onion. So what I'm going to do next is I will cook the leaves that I cut to this. This is the second time I'm going to cook my spring onion. As you can see, I got two types of spring onion. Yeah, this one and also the other one. Both of these are, I think, very nutritional and delicious and good as antioxidant to our body. So what you do with this is just when you buy a spring onion, all you have to do is put it on a clean water. So every 3 or 4 days, replace the water. And when you see the leaves grow, cut it according to your needs, then use it for frying, for cooking. But today I'm going to cook salmon stew. So next after this, I'm going to replant my mint. So mint is easy to produce also. All you need to do, because what happened, I bought at B&Q, one of the big shopping mall here at UK, United Kingdom. It's quite expensive, around £3.75. Compared to dollars, it is less than $5. So all you need to do is cut the upper portion, then put it in a water like this, then observe, then 5 to 10 days, or at least 5 days, you see the root growing. You see the root. Then you can replant it. You can do it as much as you can, as many as you can. You can use a margarine or a Johnny West tuna steak plastic bottle and make a hole, put water and put it there. Then you will see the root will sprout. Same with this one. I'll show you another example. This one. So all you've got to do is cut a little branch on top of the mint. Then after it, soak and put it on water within 4 or 5 days. Then when you see the root sprout, see the root, then it means it is now ready for replanting the backyard. So later I'll show you where I put my pot of mint. And I pray and hope that this will help you. It's easy to make lots of this. You know, this is quite expensive. Because when I bought it, it cost me around £3.75. Prices here at UK. But in America and the United States, I think it will cost around less than $5. Again, many thanks for visiting my channel, Indoor and Outdoor Gardening. Every winter I plant seeds here at home. I call it indoor garden or greenhouse. Then by April or May, when the weather climate's going down, and I think from 12 to 15 Celsius, they are now ready to be planted outside in the backyard. And pray and hope that you will see more of my indoor and outdoor gardening. Again, this is Simon Felix. Please subscribe to my channel and you will see more. Again, many thanks for visiting my channel, and bye for now. God bless. Okay, bye.